see over
Okay, I can't figure out why any parent has their kid out at this hour of the night in a stroller. What time is it, Mitch?
10 after 5.
It's 10 after 5.
You guys here?
10 after 5 and they still have their strollers out. You got to be
you don't want to sit down because the
French the llama kidding.
Just find a mat and sit down and hit.
Okay, folks, we've got here Dave, the leader of Fire Oz.
Flame Oz.
Flame Oz, oh my
Yeah, Fire Oz are the other guys. We killed them and then we took them on, took their costumes and we're Flame Oz. We just had an amazing show here. It's our last show at the Halifax Buskers Festival for 2010. I've never seen so many people in such a small place in any time in my life. So it was incredible, great energy. We've had an amazing another year here, People's Choice Award again, and can't wait to come back next year. So thank you very much.